Today, we'll walk you through the process of adding your address on Etsy, ensuring smooth transactions and accurate shipping. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Etsy account. Begin by logging in into your Etsy account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will be ready to add your address details. Step 2. Access your account settings. Next, navigate your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, then selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Addresses. Within your account settings, look for the Addresses option. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your address information. Step 4. Add a new address. Once you're on the Addresses page, you'll see the option to add a new address. Click on the Add Address button. Enter your address details. A form will appear where you can enter your address details, including your full name, street address, city, state or province, postal code and country. Fill in all the required fields accurately. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your address information, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Add Address button to save your changes. Step 7. Set as default address if desired. If you have multiple addresses saved, you can choose to set one of your default addresses. This is the address that will be used for shipping unless specified otherwise during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully added your address on Etsy. Now, you can shop confidently, knowing that your shipping information is up to date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.